Have you ever gazed upon the Great Pyramid of Giza and found yourself captivated by its sheer magnitude and mystery? What secrets lie hidden within its ancient stones, and what tales does it whisper to those who dare to listen? Join us on an extraordinary journey as we unlock the secrets and delve into the enigmatic wonders of one of history's greatest marvels, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Welcome, dear viewers, to a voyage of discovery and exploration unlike any other. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey through time and space to stand in awe of a monument that has stood the test of millennia and continues to intrigue and inspire us to this day. A structure that defies explanation and continues to astound us with its grandeur and complexity. From its awe-inspiring construction to its enduring legacy as a symbol of ancient Egypt's greatness, join us as we uncover the secrets hidden within its timeless embrace. As we embark on an unforgettable voyage to the heart of one of the world's greatest wonders, the Great Pyramid of Giza. With each step we take, let us delve deeper into the mysteries that have captivated humanity for centuries. And let us marvel at the ingenuity and brilliance of those who came before us. Now that we've been introduced to the monumental presence of the Great Pyramid of Giza, let's journey back in time to uncover the remarkable history and extraordinary construction of this ancient wonder, a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians. The history of the Great Pyramid dates back over 4,500 years to the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, also known as Cheops, during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom in ancient Egypt. It was during this remarkable era of civilization, in the 26th century BCE, that the construction of the Great Pyramid began, a project of unparalleled ambition and scale that would leave an indelible mark on human history. As we marvel at the sheer size and complexity of the Great Pyramid, it's important to appreciate the incredible engineering feats accomplished by its builders. With precision and ingenuity, ancient Egyptian architects and laborers meticulously quarried and transported massive blocks of limestone and granite, some weighing several tons, to construct this monumental edifice. The precision and craftsmanship displayed in the construction of the Great Pyramid are nothing short of extraordinary. Each stone was carefully cut and fitted into place, forming the iconic step design that has captivated generations of admirers. From its perfectly aligned sides to its towering height, the Great Pyramid stands as a testament to the vision and skill of its ancient builders, a feat of engineering that continues to inspire wonder and admiration to this day. Now that we've delved into the history and construction of the Great Pyramid, let's turn our attention to its awe-inspiring architectural features, the intricate design elements that make this ancient wonder truly remarkable. At the forefront of the Great Pyramid stands its grand entrance, a majestic portal that beckons visitors to step into the realm of ancient Egypt's pharaohs. As we traverse through the pyramid's labyrinthine interior, we encounter a network of ascending passageways that lead us deeper into its heart, guiding us on a journey through time and space. Within the Great Pyramid lie the king's and queen's chambers, sacred spaces steeped in mystery and symbolism. These chambers served as the final resting places for the pharaoh and his consort, offering a glimpse into ancient Egyptian beliefs about the afterlife and the divine journey of the soul. The architectural elements of the Great Pyramid are not merely structural features. They are embodiments of ancient Egyptian beliefs and practices, steeped in symbolism and spirituality. The Grand Gallery, with its towering ceiling and intricate design, served as a pathway for the pharaoh's soul to ascend to the heavens, guided by the gods on his journey to immortality. The Great Pyramid stands as a testament to the ingenuity and prowess of the ancient Egyptians, a civilization that flourished along the banks of the Nile River over 4 millennia ago. As the final resting place of Pharaoh Khufu, the Great Pyramid embodies the power and prestige of Egypt's divine rulers, serving as a symbol of their eternal legacy and divine authority. In recognition of its cultural and historical significance, the Great Pyramid was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979, a prestigious honor bestowed upon sites of outstanding universal value. This designation not only acknowledges the Great Pyramid's importance as a cultural treasure, but also underscores the global commitment to preserving and protecting this ancient marvel for future generations. The Great Pyramid's enduring legacy extends beyond its designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It holds a special place among the 7 wonders of the ancient world, a prestigious list of remarkable achievements from antiquity. Despite the passage of millennia, the Great Pyramid continues to inspire wonder and awe, captivating the imagination of people across generations and cultures. While the Great Pyramid of Giza has stood the test of time, it continues to reveal new secrets and insights through modern archaeological discoveries and scientific research, shedding light on its construction techniques and historical context. In recent years, archaeologists and scientists have made remarkable discoveries at the Great Pyramid, uncovering hidden chambers, mysterious shafts, and previously unknown structures within its labyrinthine interior. These findings have provided valuable insights into the construction techniques employed by the ancient Egyptians and have deepened our understanding of the pyramid's historical significance. Amidst ongoing development and urbanization, there is a growing urgency to preserve and protect the Great Pyramid for future generations. Archaeologists, conservationists, and government authorities are collaborating on initiatives to safeguard this ancient treasure, implementing measures to prevent deterioration, mitigate environmental impacts, and ensure responsible tourism practices. As technology advances and our understanding of ancient civilizations grows, the Great Pyramid will continue to be a focal point for scientific inquiry and exploration. Ongoing research efforts, including remote sensing techniques, non-invasive imaging technologies, and multidisciplinary studies, hold the promise of uncovering even more secrets hidden within the pyramid's ancient stones. Beyond its historical significance, the Great Pyramid of Giza has left an indelible mark on human culture, inspiring art, literature, and popular culture throughout the ages. Let's delve into the profound cultural impact of this ancient wonder and explore its influence on artistic expression across time. The Great Pyramid's cultural impact extends far beyond the boundaries of ancient Egypt, influencing artistic and creative works across continents and centuries. From ancient Egyptian art and hieroglyphic inscriptions to Renaissance paintings and neoclassical sculptures, the pyramid has served as a symbol of power, mystery, and human ingenuity throughout history. In literature, the Great Pyramid has been a source of fascination for writers and poets, inspiring epic tales of adventure, mystery, and romance. From the ancient Greek historian Herodotus to the modern-day novelist Agatha Christie, the pyramid has captured the imaginations of storytellers and readers alike, weaving its enigmatic presence into the fabric of literary lore. In popular culture, the Great Pyramid continues to be a ubiquitous symbol of ancient wisdom and intrigue, appearing in films, television shows, and advertising campaigns around the world. Its iconic silhouette has become synonymous with mystery and adventure, captivating audiences and sparking curiosity in the mysteries of the ancient world. As we reflect on the cultural impact of the Great Pyramid, we are reminded of its enduring legacy as a symbol of human achievement and creativity. For visitors planning to explore the Great Pyramid, it's essential to plan ahead and make arrangements for guided tours, as well as to purchase tickets in advance to avoid long lines and wait times. Additionally, be sure to check for any travel advisories or restrictions before your visit and consider exploring nearby attractions, such as the Sphinx and the Pyramid of Khafre, to make the most of your experience. Many visitors have been deeply moved by their encounters with the Great Pyramid, sharing stories of wonder, reverence, and spiritual awakening. From the thrill of ascending its ancient passageways to the awe-inspiring views from its summit, each experience is unique and unforgettable, leaving a lasting impression on those who dare to venture into its hallowed halls. Throughout our exploration, we've delved into the history, architecture, mysteries, and cultural impact of the Great Pyramid, a monument that stands as a testament to the ingenuity, creativity, and spiritual beliefs of ancient Egypt. From its construction during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu to its enduring legacy as one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the Great Pyramid continues to captivate and inspire us with its timeless allure. As we conclude our journey, I encourage each of you to embark on your own adventure to witness the majesty of the Great Pyramid firsthand. Whether you're drawn to its historical significance, architectural marvels, or spiritual resonance, the experience of standing in the shadow of this ancient wonder is sure to leave an indelible mark on your soul. And as we bid farewell to the Great Pyramid, let us not forget that our exploration of ancient Egypt's mysteries has only just begun. From the temples of Luxor to the tombs of the Valley of the Kings, there are countless treasures waiting to be discovered and stories waiting to be told. So let us continue our journey of discovery, fueled by curiosity and guided by the wonders of the ancient world. With that said, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this captivating journey through the mysteries and marvels of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Your curiosity and enthusiasm fuel our passion for exploration and discovery, and we look forward to embarking on many more adventures together in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, may the wonders of the ancient world continue to inspire and enrich our lives.